Hi, I'm here to show you how to make an incredibly easy do-it-yourself project using just Epsom salt and lavender. That's it, lavender and Epsom salt are the only ingredients to make a bath salt that you can put into your bath and relax you before bedtime. All you need is a cup of Epsom salt and put it in a container that you can put a lid on. You can find Epsom salt at Walmart, at a drugstore, at the dollar store. Sometimes it comes in a bag, but it's pretty cheap. You can double the recipe if you want, but this is a cup. And then I just took my lavender and I dropped in 10 drops. And they don't have to be exact. If you put in 1 or 2 more, that's perfectly fine. And then you just stir it up so that, the lavender is mixed in really well with the Epsom salt. And there you go. You're going to put part of this in your bath water and put a lid on it and save it for the next time. This makes a wonderful gift. It smells so good I could smell it even from a distance. So easy, really cheap, and you're going to love doing it. So enjoy your bath, your relaxing bath, when you use your Epsom salt and lavender mixture. Okay, take care.